Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and hardware. Verify your Jio account has 5G entitlement and that your SIM is a Jio 5G SIM. Without that, it won't register. Once confirmed, make sure the phone model supports Jio's 5G bands and the OS is updated. This avoids handshake and compatibility errors. Now, power cycle the device with the SIM inserted, enable mobile data, and open network settings. These first steps get the device ready to attempt. You now configure the connection details that let the radio latch onto 5G. In network settings, choose 5G/4G/3G auto so fallback remains available. This prevents data loss if 5G signal fluctuates. Make sure APN is Gionet or Jio's default, and VO LTE is enabled because voice over LTE often matters for 5G registration. Once done, perform a manual network search or use the phone's field test mode to prioritize Jio's 5G cell. This helps when automatic selection struggles. You finish by verifying and optimizing the live connection. Check for the 5G icon and run a speed test to confirm throughput. If speeds are low, move to an open area where Jio 5G coverage is mapped. Make sure Wi-Fi is off while testing so results reflect cellular performance. If it still fails, reinsert the SIM, reset network settings, and try again. If problems persist, contact Jio support with your MA and signal logs so they can provision or troubleshoot the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.